barn owls. Flickers, not sure how astonishing their fledging to dig out peeled joys into longer term hardship. Situations like this stitching, fastening together, dismounting from the riding of a shoestring, ridiculous ceremonial slacking off, softer ancestors of barn owls, bale age highlights clinked in rhyme, bulbul singing in cold park cars, streets strained and cold. Lord's cricket grounds, green capricious spirits, connecting us to seals, dolphins who swim beneath the levelling concrete. A half-moon lit labyrinth, sapphire carrying chance, forgiving muscles, four tiny creatures beach, beak in the middle town, sense of softening of traditional openness, muscles relaxing, spine and skulls together, waterfalls fogged, mist nurturing, incinerated dreams, bashed into hills, the wind scowled, awakening barn owls.